We like woodwork because we believe that wood continues to live. You know, you saw a tree down, but it's still got another life, and it just keeps going.
I'm already a wood turner, and I do like playing with wood, particularly a tree called the Wellingtonian. That's the one with the soft bark, and you can punch it, and it's lovely, and you can hug it. And it's hundreds of years old. You think, you know, yeah, what's gone through that tree? Yeah, history, yeah.
How we came here and became Cotswold Community Men's Shed, we came here, we was offered these rooms because they've been disused for the last 5 years. I learned very quickly about Barnwood Trust and their start-up help. So I put a case together and we got accepted, which was wonderful because we was able to go out and buy really important piece of equipment that we needed. But it is all down to money if we want to buy better equipment, or if that was to break down, we need to replace it. So we all realise we've actually got to make something, not only for ourselves to take home, but something we can actually physically sell.
I see it as probably helping some of the men who perhaps aren't in the same relatively good position I'm in. So it's a question of sharing my knowledge and enabling other people to perhaps to learn things, do things which they find rewarding, I think.
Those people who have come along have either lost a wife, lost a partner, lost their job, become retired and lost all their colleagues, and loneliness, depression, purpose in life. You know, those are the words that keep coming out. And it works. A local men's shed at Warmley, who's been on television, they deal with prosthetic legs, and it's the charity it's done for is Legs for Africa. He approached Men's Shed saying, could you just do a few of these, just dismantle them so we can use the actual bits and pieces that are essential. He's got access to certain hospitals in Africa where they go directly to there, and we're making people walk again.
We're just blokes who've not known each other before and just come together. And that's what it's all about.